All right, here we are for claim number 3655S867H. It is October 26, 2023, 2:03 p.m., 78 degrees. So the shingle that we're going to be removing today is, you can see we had a tarp on here and then went down to this shingle. So this is the one we're going to remove. Not perfectly ideal because we have the other missing shingles right here that would adhere to it, but we're going to do it anyways. A couple of things to note. There's no bad granule loss going on. You see a little bit of chalk falling, that's all. Another thing I would like to note is this right here. There is already a pre-existing tear here and here, along with holes right there because of the tarp. But let's go ahead and take this shingle off. First thing we're gonna have to do is unseal this one, then this one, and this one to get the fasteners out. Oh, one other thing. That tab's delaminated. This one is not. That one's not. Check these. None of these are. That one's tore though. And none of these are. So no delamination of the tabs other than this one here that is. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, now we got that. Let's go ahead and pull some fasteners. That was it. Yeah, all right. So first thing we want to note here is look at how bad the material transfer is on this. You can see how much of it is stuck. Big. Same thing here. Look how much is ripped off. How much that there is. Get out there in the sunlight so you can see a little better. You can see it. So let's go ahead and move on though. New shingle right here, ready to go. Go ahead and slide that sucker in and get some nails put in here. Huh? Shorter shingle. We're going to trim it for the purpose of RLS and keeping with the right shingle. It's not a recommended practice. ahead and diagnose this real fast. First thing we want to see is the granule loss that's occurring. And let's check for delamination. Let's go ahead and mark down. There's granule loss. There was mat transfer. Now let's keep going. Remember this. Which one was it? Oh, the delaminated one is gone. There's delamination. So we got delamination here. Right here you can see where it tore. So we have tears in the adjacent shingles. And right here you can see where it got messed up. Right there, tore off. So with that being said, we have the tears, delamination, material transfer, granule loss. This is a failed repair.